It's never too soon to start preparing for the holidays, so you don't miss out on enjoying time with your family and friends. I have some tips that will help you prepare, stay organized, and it will even save you money. Take inventory of your serving trays and platters to make sure you have enough of what you need when you need it. Above our wall oven and microwave, we have a large cabinet that wasn't being utilized to its full potential, and I'm using Better Homes and Gardens expandable drawer dividers to organize my growing collection of platters and cake stands and trays. There's rubber feet on the bottom for stability, but I had to make sure that nothing was going to fall over, so I added L brackets and secured them to the bottom of the cabinet to secure them to the dividers. Everything is easy to get to with no problem. Another thing I always love to do is leave a quick snack on our coffee station. On this day I made leaf and pumpkin shaped cookies, but for guests I will always leave out muffins or bagels in case they are early risers. And for you coffee nuts, Home Goods is my go-to for flavored fall coffee blends. They have any flavor you could think of at reasonable prices, so stock up. Pantry staples. Baking is a huge part of what we do around the holidays, and many of you have seen my DIY baking cart, but in case some of you missed it, I'll leave the link down below. All of my baking essentials are kept in one place for easy accessing right here on this cart, and stocking up the pantry ahead of time is also a time saver. Buy your items ahead of time. When they're on sale, you will save a ton of money. Owning a shark steamer is an absolute must-have, as well as having it set on the hottest setting. There's only one issue I have with my shark steamer. If you own one, you can relate. Okay, I've been getting a lot of questions on, Denise, how do you keep your steam mop pads so clean and white? Well, I just put a new one on that one, but here is the reality of a dirty pad. But it's not dirty. It looks dirty, it looks horrendous, but it's not. It's actually clean, and that's the problem with these pads. They're very, very hard to get clean. So what I like to do is, I like to use this Nellie's baking soda. You guys have seen me use this, or you heard me mention it a few times, but I use like a scoop of this and a scoop of OxyClean and a little bit of bleach. This is with experimenting, you guys. And I just kind of put it in there and kind of let it, let it soak overnight. If not a couple of days, as long as I can. Because I feel like sometimes when you put that pad on your mop and you're mopping your floor, it just feels like I'm still, I don't know, moving dirt around. It might be a mind trick thing, I don't know, but I just don't like that feeling. I have to see my dirt. That's just me. Okay, so like I said, this has been soaking for about an hour. I just want to show you some of the dirt. See that? It's, although you wash it, but there's still dirt, you guys. I have a love-hate for these mop pads. I don't know, but this ensures that I get these mop pads really clean. And like I've shared before, the awesome thing about this shark when it comes to touching these dirty pads, this is after I did my kitchen. It's not too bad, but it's still dirty. You just put these buttons, you just press these two buttons right here, and it goes straight into the bucket. You don't have to touch nothing. Clean the entryway. As per usual, we often tend to focus on the inside of our home, but you really shouldn't overlook the outside. Since it's the first thing visitors see, each season I like to give our front entryway a good wash down to freshen up things for the holiday decorations. Clean and prep the guest bathroom. This is something you can do a day or two before guests arrive, and it shouldn't take much time to do it. Give the guest bathroom a good deep cleaning. Wipe down all the cabinetry, the countertops, the mirrors, and any windows or floors. Empty the trash in the shower bath. Luckily for me, I have a self-cleaning toilet that only requires putting a capsule inside the back of the toilet to keep it fresh and clean with every flush. One less job for me. Add some new towels to your guest bath. It's a total shock that I'm not using white bath towels. I couldn't resist these botanical towels by Better Homes and Gardens at Walmart. They come in a set of 4. They are soft and plush and thick and luxurious. And can we talk about the jacquard design? It is simply timeless, and they come in other colors too. I'll leave a link down below in my description box if you want to purchase them. Be sure to place a good bath mat by the tub and shower to keep your guests safe. And here's a tip for keeping your bath mat from losing its longevity. After finishing your shower, dry off while you're still in the shower, then proceed to dry off, only stepping out onto the mat after you are dry. It will help keep your mat from getting overly soaked. Personal essentials is always a good idea to have on hand for guests, and I like to shop the trial size toiletries in Walmart. Usually guests will only need a little something for a few days until they get back home, and everything you see here was under $1.50 each. Here's a no-fail tip that you can do when you're expecting guests. Clean and launder your sheets and duvets and place a lavender packet inside this under-the-bed storage bag that's from Better Homes and Gardens at Walmart. And I will link it down below in case you guys want one. This way all the work will be done before your guests arrive. I hope this has helped you to get a head start on getting prepared for the holidays, and I want to thank you all for watching.